Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is going to be about an easier method that I found on how to feed my hens. So this is how we've been feeding our hens, and it's been working. There's nothing wrong with it, but it gets tiring when you have to come out every single morning to refill this. So we're doing a better way of feeding them, where we only have to come out once a week to feed them. And this is also their water source right now. As for the water source, we just change this every single day, and we have some foam in here and some bubble wrap. Here's what I'll be using today. This one I'm gonna use for the food, and this one I'm gonna use for the water. These both bins here, I believe I purchased them at a flea market for a few dollars each, but I'm pretty sure you can find these online brand new. I know they're a little over 5 gallons. Here's the kit that I purchased: these chicken feeders and some water cups. So this is what I'll be using today. So according to the photos, this feeder gets installed in this position. And the good thing is that it brought the hole saw along with it. So I decided I'm gonna make my mark about on the 4-inch mark here. I will be putting this on top of cinder blocks or a tree stump. I'll figure that out when I get to that part, but let's make our marks. I had to go get one of my little plumbing reamers. Your gasket would be on the inside of this lip right here. 3 more to go. Got 3 in so far. So I have all 4 in, and they also brought caps. So I only have 2 hens, so I'll be plugging in 2 of the sides and leave 2 open. I'll be getting more hens in the spring when they're available. Let me just put the top on and move on to the next project. Here's my water tank, and these are the water cups that I'll be using. They come with 1 washer and the lock nut. Unfortunately, the kit did not bring the drill bit, so I had to figure it out using this gauge here. And get the right drill bit. If you don't have one of these gauges, they come in handy. So I decided I'm gonna put the cups close to the bottom. The only problem with that I see is that this isn't a flat surface. It'll be like in a little angle, but I'll find out. If not, I have another one of these, and you can see there's a little hole here. What I was thinking of doing was putting maybe a tie mount and then a zip tie here if I feel as though it's bouncing too much, but we'll find out. So let me choose my spots. So you put the washer on first. There you go. And you screw it on. You don't want to make the hole bigger than the threads, because then you can't screw it on like this, and you don't want your washer falling into the hole. Here's our lock nut. If you can see that, let's see here. There you go. So I'm losing sunlight here. So there you go. Remember, hand tight only, because they are plastic threads. You don't want to break it. For now, I'm thinking of putting maybe another one of these jugs in another location, but looks good. Let's just see how it works. Okay, I'm just checking to see if it's leaking. Doesn't seem like it. Looks good. I've seen a few people leave comments on where I purchased these, and they said that it leaks. A few people said they had to put some type of caulk, waterproofing caulk, but I guess if you make the holes the exact size, you won't have that problem, because it doesn't seem like I'm having that problem. This is just water from the water hose, but feels dry underneath. Okay, let's see if the hens will drink. So I just want to see if I find a stump. So I know some time back I had cut a few stumps out here. It was a down tree. Trying to see where they're at right now. That's too big. I will have to cut that more. Seems about right. Let's see what else. I heard something running through the woods. No, that's too busted up. What's this doing out here? I have no idea where that came from. So I found one. Let me put the camera down so I could carry this back. So here's the table I'll be using. Yep, that's your new dining table. I flipped it over. This side looks better. Well, it's late and the girls decided to go to bed. I guess I'll see them drink from this tomorrow. Let me close their door. See, I'm not sure if you could see them in there. Here we have it. It's nice and filled to the top. And the hens, they'll get the camera under there. They stick their heads in here. And if it's raining, the food will stay nice and dry. I have this side closed off, this side open, and this side closed off. If I get more hens, I'll open up the other sides. So let me go look for a nice stump that I could place this feeder on top. This one looks pretty good. Don't come out. Stay in there. Come on now. So I'm curious, is it too high for them? I'm not sure. They seems to be the right size. I mean the right height. I can dig a hole, bring it down a few inches. I don't know. If you know the answer, leave me a comment. So I hope this video helped someone out there. This is the easiest way I found to feed my hens, where I don't have to come outside every single day to pour water and give them their food. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.